Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel shorts suggestions on YouTube. Simple and easy. Let's launch the YouTube app first. As you can see, usually when you launch the YouTube app, you will have all these shorts suggestions. And for example, I didn't subscribe to these channels, right? But you're still getting these recommendations. So let me show you a simple and easy way to do a very easy setting change that will simply not having these recommendations anymore. Not all the shorts might be something that you don't like, right? So click only on the shorts that you don't like. For example, these first shorts from Yahoo Finance, right? I can simply click not interested and the shorts is gone. This one over here, I don't know what is it about, not interested, right? So you're sending notification to the algorithm of YouTube, so you're making him aware that this type of content or this channel in general you're not interested in. Sometimes YouTube is sending recommendations from the channels that you're subscribed to, and even if you click not interested, for example, like this, the YouTube will still send you suggested shorts from the channel because you're subscribed to. But for example, if I get suggestion like this one for a channel that I'm not subscribed to, and once when I do not interested, guess what? They're not gonna recommend me any more content from this particular channel. That's guaranteed, right? So this is why, guys, I want you to pay very close attention which shorts that are recommended to you are disabling and which ones you're simply allowing to be recommended. And this is how you enable or disable YouTube short suggestions. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.